In the last 9 years, under the leadership of the Honorable Prime Minister, remarkable growth and fast-paced development have propelled India to become the fastest-growing economy in the world. The accelerated urbanization necessitated convenient and quick public transport of people. Metro networks have become the pulsing arteries of these bustling cities. The metro network in the country has expanded from 248 kilometers in 5 cities to 895 kilometers in 20 cities in the last 9 years. And about 965-kilometer long metro lines are under construction in 19 cities.
देश के शहरों में पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट को बेहतर बनाने के लिए 2 दर्जन से अधिक नए शहरों में मेट्रो नेटवर्क का विस्तार हो रहा है.
In continuation to inauguration of the line from Whitefield to Krishnarajapura on 25th March 2023, the 2 vital sections from Krishnarajapura to Bayyapanahalli and Kengeri to Chalagatta is all set for dedication to the nation by the Honorable Prime Minister. With the dedication of these vital sections under the joint effort of Government of India and Government of Karnataka, the complete east-west corridor is for a total length of 43.49 km with 37 metro stations, which powers the seamless metro connectivity to IT corridor and boosting economic growth. The total operational metro network of 74 km is expected to serve more than 20% of Bengaluru's population, thereby reducing traffic congestion and carbon footprint. Namma Metro, the lifeline of Bengaluru, now boasts of a ridership of over 7.5 lakh people per day and is working round the clock to provide Bengaluru the infrastructure it deserves to serve generations to come.